front of me is Google Pixel 9a, and today I would like to show you how you can apply Apple layout on this Android. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called LauncherOS from Launcher Studio. When it's ready, go into Devices Settings and tap on Apps. Now scroll down a tiny bit to hit Default Apps and tap on Home app here. Then choose Launcher Pro and hit Allow All. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, my layout was successfully applied. To make some changes, go into Launcher app. If you want to go back to your default launcher, you can always do that by going back to default Home app settings and hitting Pixel Launcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!